I get it. You're here because you want to see how I'm going to show you how to get more leads for your real estate investing business. That's the number one question I get asked all the time is, Nathan, how can I get more leads into my business, but easier and not throwing up yard signs, around my town? I get it. Stick with me. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's go. All right, so you're here because you want to build more leads in your real estate investing business, and you want to do it without, the headache or hassle of going around your town, posting out signs, and maybe in the middle of the night, or like I used to do. I used to climb this retractable ladder and post them up so high on a telephone pole, and then soon getting phone calls from the local law enforcement and code enforcement to take them down.
I want you to listen to me good. I am going to come at you, and I'm going to come at you hard.
But today I'm going to focus on something very specific. But if you want to learn more in detail, click on the links in the description or in the card above, and I will share those with you. Now today I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you this great lead opportunity source that you can dive into, and that is RealFlow. Some people pronounce it RealFlow, but I just like to call it RealFlow.
He's just trying to trick you.
If you are either just getting started or maybe you've been doing this business for some time, you're gonna find that this is a surefire way to get your leads in your real estate investing business. It also has many other features, but I wanna break down to something that's like really powerful. So instant access to leads 24/7. Using lead pipes is your own private search engine and ultimate shortcut to generating quality real estate leads fast. Right? Search for and download thousands of buyer and seller private leads in your area very quickly. So here they show you how to do that and make that happen, but you literally can get started with them pretty quickly. Just a quick overview on pricing. Build monthly is going to be always the more expensive way. Build annual, get 2 months free. And basically, if you're just getting started, you're probably going to want to be in the light area. But my recommendation, if you're serious about building a real estate business, go with the pro option. I think it's going to give you the best options because number one, the users. If you're building a real estate investing business, you obviously can't do this alone. You need either an assistant or a business partner. So have the users already. You don't want to go too cheap on this. Have the users already and get what you need. 5 lead generation websites is there as well. And let's just go down the pro list. Up to 10 users, like I said, it gives you access to all this. As you can see from the difference of the light version here, 1, and then when we get down to about right here, look at the cost per direct mailing piece, right? To getting those done. Then you have Mobi, that's another time. Opt-in forms, marketing library, you get all that. The rehab planner for analyzing deals, the repair estimator, the deal analyzer, the comping tool. How many times alone have you been struggling to comp out a deal, right? And you go to all these different websites, you can do it all in one place. The comping tool. Now, if you want to learn more about the comping tool, check out the other video in the description that I did about it, and you'll be able to check it out there. And also, I think this is, all this makes it completely worth it. All of it. The CRM, the smooth facts, the Scrum board, the document storage, right? I just think just the CRM alone makes it, look, my screen is getting so excited. But the CRM alone compared to the light, if you want to keep everything organized, do it. It's seriously the best. Follow-up email, built-in email autoresponders, power matching. I mean, you literally can see the difference between pro and light, and the cost is only, $40 extra a month. It will save you so much time and money by keeping everything in one resource, in one place in this software. So let's just dump over into the tools here. Again, the leads, you can have some custom websites for your house. Or by the way, even if you're doing land, just want to make that clear too. They just recently added in some land component into here as well. Hands off for direct mail that converts. You set it up and forget it. You can actually, one of the most powerful things I like about RealFlow is most people, what they'll do is they'll do one mailer and that's it. They'll only have that one mailer and then they don't go back to do a second mailer or even a third mailer. Now, most people are thinking wait, why do I need so many mailers? Well, the reality is most people are not going to hit on the first card or the second card, whether you're doing postcards or letters. You have to mail multiple times. The good thing is right here. Look, let me zoom in. Check this out. How many pieces of direct mail would you like each homeowner to receive? See, it's already built in so that you can decide how many pieces you want to run automatically. Also, automatic email marketing. This is a huge feature. Also, property listings. You can put your property right in there. Okay. Property right in there. Now, I highly recommend, they got amazing reviews, okay? They got a lot of great reviews.
What these people don't understand is that it's not about the size of the office. It is about the size of the brains of the people in that office.
Now, if you are building an arm of your business in the land strategy, what I would recommend you do is click on the link in the description that says land investing. And check out my boys over at REI Conversion. There's also an interview in the description. I'll put that there also, because those guys in their CRM is very specific to land strategy. RealFlow is specific for houses, but they have added a component, a website component to it specifically for land. But the rest of the CRM doesn't really jive with a land strategy. But hey, it's growing, it's getting better. And I would highly recommend it. But also, if you find that you're using it, let me know in the comments below. That way I could be aware of that. Also, again, some business tools, comparables, paperless office, which is absolutely my favorite part, right? Save time in the trees. I absolutely hate paper. If you know that by now, you've probably seen that on the podcast. You can do faxing if you needed to, expense tracking, and you can do everything inside of the software so that you do not have to use any more paper. E-sign, electronic sending, electronic signing, electronic everything. Keep it digital, electronic filing, keep all your documents digital. And by the way, if you need help on how to use your Google Drive, and not only set up your Google Drive, but also, build it out and keep it organized, I'll post another link in the description where you can check that out and helps you keep your Google Drive organized. I use that with all my clients. I tell them how to set up their Google Drive for success. It really works really well. So check that out in the link in the description.
So this is it. Yes, this is it.
All right. And so those are some of the tools that I highly recommend for using RealFlow. Again, if you are looking for leads, if you are in need of leads, check this out, because this is where you're really going to get started. Be able to pull these leads right away. You can send them mail, you can send them direct mail, you can send them postcards, you can call them, whatever you need to do right there inside of RealFlow. If this video has been helpful, let me know by giving it a like or adding some comments or questions that I can answer in the comment section below. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.